Texas, and happy Friday. We've made it through the week, and it's been a really hot week to have to deal with as well. Right now, though, still a warm morning. You can see on our radar, most of us having some cloud cover float through the area, some of us catching a break right in the center of East Texas. We do have some storms, though, out to our north in Oklahoma. It's kind of been that repeating pattern of the week. We've seen storms try to move down from Oklahoma across the Red River into Texas. However, you can see just that tail end of the storm may be catching parts of East Texas, and if it does, it'll just be some very light rain, some little showers that once again will only make it near I-30, probably not even down to I-20. So if you live lower and south of I-20, you're probably not going to get any rain, at least this morning, from these storms. Right now outside, this is a look at our tower cam. Dark morning, but once again, just a little bit of cloud cover. About 81 outside. The dew point is high. Once again, 73. We're getting used to these muggy mornings, making it feel like it's warmer than it is. It's about feeling like 86 outside. Southwest wind at about 11 miles per hour. It's giving us somewhat of a relief this morning, but not too much. You can see some of us already hanging out in those upper 70s, but a little bit cooler still than those of us in the lower 80s this morning. Sulphur Springs and Emory already 82. Only after 5 a.m. However, our high temperatures today just going to keep on rising. Tyler will probably make it once again to 99. Same in Longview, 99. Lovekin, another 101 type of day. Won't beat our record high, though. You can see our record highs well into the 100-degree range, so we won't be breaking any records most likely today. Lovekin will get close. The rest of us will stay just a little bit below. We do have some heat advisories, though, for all our counties here in orange. It's taking place of our excessive heat warning that was in place yesterday for all of East Texas. But this goes until 7 a.m. tomorrow morning. So Saturday, it goes through all of today and part of tomorrow. Could as well get extended because tomorrow, once again, will be hot. But we can have heat and index values up to 110 degrees. We pass 110 or 110, that'll push us into that excessive heat warning range. But it's over all of East Texas today. And once again, could get extended tomorrow as well. And it's because we have heat index values like this, really just warming up throughout the day. You can see by 10 a.m. already feeling in the 90s and continuing to warm up throughout the day. It's feeling a little bit cooler than it did yesterday. That's why we have this heat advisory and not warning, but you can see still making it to feels like 109 by about 4 p.m. It's because we have warmer than average temperatures across not only just Texas, but a lot of the United States. Only places that are seeing cooler temperatures are to our northeast, and this shadows the same effect as our rain. You can see a big bubble of below average rainfall likely in Texas, specifically East Texas. You can see in that darker yellow, which means even less likely that we're going to get rain. But I did want to show you our timeline for our chance of rain that we might see. You could see maybe we're getting clipped by that small tail end of the storms in Oklahoma today, but unlikely. Same thing Saturday, maybe a few tiny showers making their way through northern parts of East Texas. By Saturday, we could have maybe a bubble pop-up shower that tries to move into the western counties of East Texas, but same thing, unlikely. You can see this is our chance of rain. Sunday morning, trying to move into the Sulphur Springs, Emory area, kind of falls apart as it moves further east, and that's about as much rain as we're going to get throughout the day. You could see maybe some showers the other ways. We need that rain, though, because we're getting more drought. You can see last week a little bit more or a little bit less than we've been extended into this week. And the temperatures we're going to keep seeing not going to help us out over the next couple of days. Warm temperatures continue to warm up. Are only breaking that breaking that heat potentially on Sunday. Other than that, look at those temperatures. They just keep on getting hotter.